Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to download GX Developer from Mitsubishi Electric. I will leave a link to the Mitsubishi website in the description. Before we can download we need a registered account on the website. To create an account or login we go to My Mitsubishi. Here we can register an account. I will just log in since I already have one. If we now go back to our home page and click on the search button, we want to search for GX Developer. Then click on Show All Results. Here we can find both GX Developer licensed and trial version. I will leave a link to both in the description. Just download the version you want and put it in a suitable map. Inside the map we just downloaded we want to open up the map called envmel. Then we want to run the setup. This will install the wizard shield needed to download the actual software. Now that it's finished we can go back and run the actual GX Developer software setup. Now just follow the instructions. To find the launcher we need to go to the local disk space. Then open up the map called Melsec. Then open up the map called GPPW. Here we will find the launcher for GX Developer. I would recommend to make a shortcut to it and pin it to the desktop or wherever you find it easily. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video give it a thumbs up and subscribe.